Alright, in this video, I'll show you how to install Nextcloud on your LincStation NAS, and turn it into your own private cloud. What is Nextcloud? So, what exactly is Nextcloud? It's a self-hosted cloud platform that lets you store and sync your files, back up your photos, share files securely, and access everything from anywhere. Basically, it's like having your own private Google Drive. Step 1. Install Nextcloud. Let's get started. Head over to the Apps tab, search for Nextcloud, and choose an official template. Once the setup page opens, you can leave most of the settings as default, then just hit Apply. Step 2. Access Nextcloud. Once it's up and running, you'll need to create an admin account. Just set your username and password for the database. If you're using an all-in-one template, it's already set up for you. Otherwise, just choose Miscal or Marriott and enter the required details. Then click Finish Setup and give it a minute to load. Step 3. Nextcloud Dashboard Overview. Alright, once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is basically your control center. Here's a quick look at what you can do. Files section. This is where you upload, organize, and manage all your files. You can create folders and share files with others. Photos section. You can automatically back up photos from your phone and browse your entire photo library right here. Activity section. The Activity tab shows a timeline of everything happening in your cloud. That includes file uploads and edits, sharing activity, changes made by you or other users, so you always know what's going on. Summary. And that's pretty much it. With Nextcloud running on your LincStation NAS, you get your own private cloud, full control over your data, and no monthly fees. Your LincStation NAS is no longer just storage, it's now your personal cloud server.